to feel my underwear. Did you like this one? Bonjour. It's bonjour. Hi, Sir George. Guys, please buy my super thanks and super chat. Nice. This one is a purple, purple bikini. I don't know where I put my red lipstick. What nice. Oh, I had to fold my dry, what's this? Underwear. Thank you for watching. Sir George, you buy my super chat. This is my pink lace underwear, which makes my fit pink underwear. And my orange. I have another color. Orange lace garterized. Hello. Oh, you like, oh my gosh. There's my put my eye. What is that? Hello, Sir George. Please buy my super chat. I know I can't afford to buy my super chat. I told you a while ago. Buy my super chat. Oh, where's my mirror? I haven't seen my mirror. Okay. Hello to my 23 viewers. Please like and share. Like, and share my live. Hello, Jim Mom. That's Jim Mom. I had to. This is your chubby mom. Your chubby mom. Hi to Jim Sotra. Hello. Sir. I had to make I hope I get along. Beautiful, thank you. Thank you. Hi, hello Jamie. Hello Jamie. Thank you, Sir George, for admiring my balayads here. Thank you so much. Hello Jamie. Hello, watching from. Hello to Parnell. Very nice lips. Thank you. Sir George, buy my super chat so I can get my quota in my YouTube because I'm getting lower views for this year. I don't know why. Because maybe I'm tired of going always live because I have lots of work. Then I got no time for my video because I do have a videographer. Hi, shout out. Shout out everyone. Excuse me. Okay. Oh.